Thunder out my window, there's a nuclear plant. They say it's the safest thing you could want, and they've been saying the same thing for years, long after leukemia clusters appears. You mind out in Russia, Chernobyl blue, a cloud of irradiated residue. The cloud came down and covered a fifth of the earth, causing thyroid cancer and defects at birth. An old cormorant is dead on the sand, untreated effluent it floats on the pond. Radioactive isotopes are buried in the ground. Welcome to the future in your nuclear land.